In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and use Mobile View in Wix 2026 guide. Let's start inside the Wix editor. Open your website as you normally would and look at the icons along the top bar. You'll see a little smartphone icon next to the desktop one. Click that to switch from desktop view to mobile view. This instantly changes the canvas to simulate a phone screen. So everything you do from here considers the smaller size and touch interactions that real visitors will use. Now understand that your mobile layout isn't just a shrunken desktop version. It's intentionally more compact and vertically stacked to fit narrow screens. Wix does a solid job of creating a mobile-friendly structure automatically, but auto layout can't anticipate your design intent. That's why you'll nudge items into place, tighten spacing, and check that important content appears early on the page. Think of it as fine-tuning the experience so it feels purpose-built for your phone audience. Here's a key principle to keep in mind: the mobile-only rule. Elements you add in the mobile editor live only on the mobile site. That's perfect for things like a short announcement bar or a simplified call to action you don't want on desktop. At the same time, you can safely adjust mobile spacing, alignment, and sizing without breaking your desktop design. Edits that are specific to the mobile layout won't negatively affect how the desktop version looks. This gives you the freedom to tailor each view with confidence. Some items from desktop are hidden on mobile by default to keep pages light and clean. To manage those, click the Hidden on Mobile icon on the left toolbar. It looks like an eye. You'll see a list of elements that are currently tucked away. If something important is missing, choose Show Element and then reposition it so it reads well on a phone. If an item doesn't earn its place, keep it hidden to reduce clutter and help your page load faster. Next, customize your mobile content. For images, you can adjust contrast, brightness, and highlights, tweak borders, and crop for a tighter fit so visuals remain crisp on small screens. For text, edit headings and body copy specifically for mobile. Increase font sizes where needed, tighten or add line spacing, and make sure buttons and links are large enough to tap easily. When you're happy with your tweaks, click Save to lock in your mobile-specific design. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.